Alright, this is my 2007 Honda 919. It's got the hyperflash problem because of the rear turn signals are LED, which I'm going to be changing those too. But to fix the hyperflash issue, it's pretty simple. Took the seat off, and this right here is the flasher relay. It just pulls up, and if you look here, this little rubber grommet thing here has a slot in it that slots into this little plastic thing here. Anyway, you just take this off, push down that small one there, right there, push down that, there we go. And I got this relay off Amazon. It's $10. So now I'm just going to connect this end onto where I just took that relay off. I'm going to put the phone down because I can't do this with one hand, so hold on one second. Alright, just that easy. I clicked right in. I'll have to just mount this somewhere underneath the seat here, but if you now turn the bike on, you got standard flashers. There you go. Easy fix, $10. Anyone can do it. Alright, have a good one.